Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm glad you are here. Today I have beautiful tropical papers and card toppers for you. So let's get started. New in my store is this pretty line by Janine's Art, and it's called the Exotic Flowers. And there is a 6x6 double-sided paper pack, and we're going to look at these gorgeous papers here in a second, and then 3 beautiful die cut sheets. Now each of these die cut sheets has 3 embellishments and then the several layers that you can add with foam pads to make these toppers dimensional. So here we have this gorgeous tropical bird, the hibiscus, and then the flower of paradise, I think that's what it's called. And look at these lush colors, the oranges, the greens, the blue, just gorgeous. Now next in the same line, here we go with fruit and blossoms, like orange blossoms. And then this pretty corner piece here with the bamboo. So pretty. I had fun using these for my cards. Look how gorgeous. Just like a tropical vacation. Yeah, so these are by Find It, and Find It is a company in Holland. Janine's Art. Now, the papers, there are 23 6x6 papers in here, and I took a few out so you can see them. They are just so pretty. And I don't know which one is the A and the B side, because they're all just gorgeous. Look how pretty these colors. And of course it is always nice to have a paper pack going with the die cut sheets. There is then no guesswork. You know they will just match perfectly. Look at the bamboo. So pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's see what I have created with these pretty papers and toppers. And here is my first card. Very simple. I just combined 2 of the pretty papers and an embellishment. So I have a card blank from Michael's, and then I cut the papers so they fit my card and left a little border. Added a strip of the pretty pink paper on top of the green, and then a little bit of a glitter border, and here is this gorgeous embellishment. And the only other thing I have done here is I added a little bit of bling and this cute little butterfly and a happy birthday. Now the butterfly comes from this butterfly pack that is back in my shop. And then the happy birthday comes in silver and in gold. This is glitter, and it is the Glitterations Happy Birthday by Paper Mania. And you got little stars and then the happy birthday. And this is how it looks on a card, very glittery. And I added a little bit of stickles on the embellishment. Now, as you've seen, the embellishments on the sheet come not glittered. Okay, next here is my next card, and here I just used a darker background, so this might be the B side. I added a doily. This is a punch I have. Again, a little strip that I had left over from this paper, you know, when I cut it to fit my card on a Michael's card blank, and then here is this gorgeous embellishment. Again, one of the cute little butterflies, and there are quite a few on this sheet. And I like them because they're small enough so they just look natural on my cards. Little bit of bling. And the With Love is from the Paper Boutique. Each pack with the Paper Boutique comes with all these sentiments, and I just outlined it a little bit with a golden paint pen. There we go. And then I have this card here. So same thing. I have the gorgeous embellishment. See how nice it matches the background paper. It's just beautiful how this goes together. Again, a card blank from Michaels. I punched a border here, added a little glitter border over it. Good things, this is actually a journal sticker that I had in my stash. And then I added this beautiful embellishment on one of our lace doilies. And these are back in my store. So they come in 3 different versions. Here is the smaller ones, and there are 10 to a pack, and each is a little different. But you can see this is just perfect for a smaller card. I also have the doilies. This is more like the regular size, but also with these gorgeous, beautiful lace laser cut. Okay, and then there is also a square version. And again, there's 10 in here. So these are back in my shop, and I will link them below. But just one doily, look how pretty it looks on this card. But there is more. Then I also have a die cut sheet, and this one here is Amy design, and it's called Colorful Feathers. This is a different line, but I thought it just matches our tropical flowers so well. We have these beautiful parakeets here, and again 3 embellishments, and the color family is the same. You got the oranges, the blues, the reds. So beautiful. And I made 3 more cards because I really loved this die cut sheet. And here is my first card, and I used the same background paper as I just had for the exotic flowers. You can see how well it matches. And here I just have again a card blank from Michaels, and then I basically cut 2 corners and I matched them together in the middle with a little bit of ribbon. Then I set the embellishment, the parrots, and then I just added a few more flowers. Now these flowers I have in my shop. If you are interested, these are Prima flowers, and they come in these pastel colors, and you can just add, like I did, a little bit of a paint pen, or you can put a little bit of glitter on it. These are not glittered, but they do have the glittery inside. Those stems there are like in gold color, and it even has a couple of greenery in there. So I will link these below. The happy birthday is also a sticker, and these sticker sheets come in silver and in gold. So here we have the happy birthday, and I like that it is vertical, so has a different look. And yeah, I think this card came out nice. It's so summery, and I love the birdies. And here is my next one. Again, just a centerpiece. I added a square that I had in my stash in top of this beautiful background paper. Then I added foam pads to this strip of paper where I added one of the happy birthdays from Gliterations. And then here is my topper, and you can see how the 3D foam pads make this so dimensional. Now I also have some bling on here, and I do have bling in my shop. These are here the rhinestones that I really like. They have this diamond cut, and they're coming in a bluish and a green color, and there are 3 different sizes, which actually 4 different sizes. 4 different sizes, so you can match them on your card. So I really like these rhinestones. But we also have these, and these are self-adhesive. I also have these pretty pearls in blue and pink and white, and these are flat back pearls, but they're not adhesive, so rainbow pearl, that's what they're called. And of course they make beautiful embellishments, and all you need is just a few to dress up your cards. And then here is my last card, and again I have used one of these doilies. Oh, by the way, you know the doilies, now the smaller ones come in this clear bag, but the other 2, as I showed you, they come in these pretty vellum envelopes, so don't throw these out. You can use those for your card making as well. So I really like the packaging, and whenever I can, I use packaging as well. So yeah, here we have again this beautiful parrot, happy birthday from our Gliterations. I did the same thing here. I used 2 papers, and I brought them together with a piece of washi, and here I just extended the flowers. So these flowers of course belong here to my embellishment, and you can see it's still pretty dimensional, but I didn't want to stack it up too much, so I added a few flowers up here where it just goes out of this card. And then a couple of bling items I had in my stash, and here we go is the 3rd card from this pack, and I really liked how this turned out. Love the colors. I hope you liked my cards. I really appreciate you spent the time with me today. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate this support. If you like my cards, they are available in value packs on my website. So again, thank you very much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.